Estate planning. Sibling rivalry at its worst. I'm going to share a story from our client file. We have a client, sadly, that his father died in 2023. The oldest sister, who wound up changing the trust and did not disclose that to her siblings, and she reported that to the court, where she actually disinherited one of her sisters that they had an argument. In creating this setting, oldest sister had a rental property. The oldest brother had a rental property. Then they had the father's house. So it was a total of 3 properties. Hi, I'm Stephen D. Cooper, also known as Coach Coop, with Cooper's Accounting Service, because your financial freedom matters. If you'd like to learn more great tax tips, download a popular financial guide at our website, yourfinancialfreedomsmatters.com, or click on the link below this video. You have 3 properties, a total of 6 siblings. Baby sister got disinherited, so legally you had 5 siblings. Big sister sold one of the properties in 2023. Baby bro did not receive his inheritance till almost 3 years later. So obvious he was upset, but he was troubled at how the sister was managing the estate. So he asked his sister a few questions that just did not set right with him, and he went and hired a lawyer to then get some legal documents to support what has she done or has not done. Sadly, she has not filed the tax returns for tax year 23 and 24. Oldest sister nor big brother were paying rent. That means that there were a total of 5 siblings. So that means that technically the estate should have received the rent so it can be divided up by 20% or 1/5. So he challenged that. Big bro, big sister felt that they were the 2 oldest ones and they weren't entitled not to pay that. Well, he then took them to court and realized that they were in violation of the agreement. Now, sadly, as this comes across, I had to embrace him as well as his youngest brother. They asked some other questions, and they were not tax related. They were legal related. And I instructed them, you need to talk to your lawyer first. Then once I hear back from your lawyer, I then can give you the tax tips to go within that. Here was their question. Big sister's driving father's car. Okay. She's making the payments. Okay. Well, is the insurance in her name or is it in her father's name? Well, once again, that's a legal question, because that can have impact on the estate if the sister gets into an accident. They can go, most lawyers, they want to go where the money is. The money is where the estate is, because the estate actually owns 2 properties, and that's still under dispute right now. This is the purpose of these videos, to explain to you how your estate should be planned out. And sometimes you got to overplan certain things because you don't know where the sibling rivalry comes in at. For more easy financial tips, sign up for our financial tip newsletter by going to yourfinancialfreedommatters.com or click on the link below this video. You can also download our financial guide as well. If you'd like a free 20-minute smart money consultation, call us at 562-436-2600. Well, again, I'm Stephen D. Cooper, also known as Coach Coop. You definitely want to watch the next video that is on the screen now. I'm going to share some really important financial tips that may affect you.